Hey, what's up guys? It's Luke W coming back at you again today. I made it back from Southern California. I'm actually at an old paintball spot where I used to go paintballing with my friends out in the woods. It's a really cool spot out here in Washington. It is a bit more nippy, so we got the flannel on. But I'm bringing this video to you guys today because I've kind of discovered something out about myself, and it's pretty much that I feel like I'm able to help others more than I can help myself. And in this regard, I'm bringing this to you because coming out from California, helping two other guys really passionate about Amazon FBA, and actually being with people that have that like-minded entrepreneurship vibe in them makes me just work so much more efficiently, so much better. I think of so many more ideas, and just being able to help them is immensely more beneficial than if I was just trying to help myself alone. So this is kind of a topic that I'm really feeling like I really like to do. So it's been kind of on my mind to kind of make like an Amazon course actually. So I'm not sure if that's something that I should be doing sooner or later. But I mean, as I look through my subscribers and I actually look at the faces of you guys and your little like profile images, it makes me see there's so many guys out there that are just ready to pretty much do this and start this. I mean, many people just go ahead and they want to just watch entertainment on TV and stuff. But I mean, I learned back in college watching YouTube videos was so much more beneficial. I could learn so many more things. Anything I wanted to learn, it was right there. And I realized, man, going to school, I'm at college now, and I literally learn more just hanging out at home on my laptop. So this has kind of made a change in my life, and I know you guys that are watching YouTube and watching these entrepreneurship type videos, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, growing a YouTube channel, these are things that are gonna be like huge skills to have for the rest of your life. I mean, as long as the internet's around, people are gonna even want to hire others that are good at SEO and ranking things and search algorithms, all these other things. And that's pretty much what I've been learning. And being able to learn those things, leverage them on the internet, is going to make you guys quite a bit of money from home. And that's my whole drive again behind this whole thing. Being able to just make money from home or anywhere in the world. Refreshing my phone and seeing Amazon sales while I was out in California was absolutely insane. But guys, please, I'm thinking about making an Amazon course, because I want to get everyone's head in this in one group, and I just want to see if I can help people at a massive scale instead of individually helping so many people out that message me on Facebook and stuff. So if you guys think this is a good idea, please just let me know. Like, it's been on my mind for so long, and it's not going to be an expensive course, but I will be including everything that I've learned in the Tanner J. Fox Amazon Seller Mastery course, the Amazing Selling Machine course. That's about a $3,000 Amazon course, and as well as Kevin David's Ninja course. So these are three huge Amazon FBA courses that are out on the market, and I've been able to watch just about every video. I still have a few more to see, but I want to kind of compile all of these courses into one and bring a great beginner's guide to Amazon, and maybe work on some other modules later and add them to the course as time goes. But just having a great course to have people in a little private Facebook group, and just being able to share and bounce ideas back and literally help people with all my might and effort is going to be amazing. Because I know I don't want to just make a course and be like just doing it for the money or anything like that. I want to make a course so I can actually help you guys, so you can make a ton of money from anywhere in the world, and I can go fly out and meet you guys and hang out, and we have nothing to worry about. I'm not trying to just make a bunch of money and run here. I want to actually help you guys, because what would that say to me or about my Luke W channel if I'm trying to make a course and just make money and not help anyone? I literally want you guys to be successful, so then you can go ahead and say, hey, I learned all this stuff from Luke. Like, that's the fulfilling part. It's not the money, it's literally helping so many other people and being able to change lives from anywhere in the world. Like, I'm here in my old paintball spot, but I could be changing lives with people over in India, Japan, Australia just got Amazon, so this is a worldwide thing. It's taken over. Those of you guys who have been subscribed to me for so long, I just want to say thank you so much. And I now am refreshing clicking on the subscribers that I have on my channel and just looking at all the profile images of the people, and I'm like, you guys are there. You're the ones that are subscribed. You've been watching Luke W. You guys are ready to take it down. Let's get it. So just let me know your feedback on that. And I mean, I'd really like to help you guys, and it would just be like not even that expensive, maybe like $197 or $297, and I would go super in depth. I mean, some of these guys like Tanner Fox, even when I was taking his course, and he wasn't even that big on YouTube yet, now he's almost got 100,000 subscribers, but when I was taking his course, I wasn't able to get great mentorship from him, even though that's what he was offering. I mean, he would give me like one-word replies like yes, no, or too competitive. So I want to actually dive in deep, explain things super thoroughly. That is what my career was made to be, a broadcast news journalist. So I want to go super in depth and keep refining course modules and building something that can benefit you guys and make you guys really successfully rich with Amazon and this passive income source. I mean, it's not 100% passive like I've said before. It's about 20% effort up front, and then the rest is basically just calling your supplier when you're out of inventory and you get more inventory in. So that's what it is, guys. You got to find a product on Amazon using the product research tool Jungle Scout, and you're able to find profitable products. You source them from Alibaba.com in China. They ship them in bulk right into the Amazon warehouse, where Amazon fulfills all of your orders to your customers. It's the sweetest business model I've ever heard of. And those of you guys who have been subscribed to my channel for a while know that I am extremely passionate about this, and I'm not going to stop learning. I thought it might be a little early to make a course. I mean, I've only been doing this about 7 months, but I have immersed myself in the Amazon FBA seller culture in Facebook groups, YouTube, and connecting with so many people and actually answering so many people's questions that I feel like a lot of these questions are the same thing, like with barcodes or shipping templates, all these things I can just dial in for you guys immediately. And I've had friends in person around Mill Creek where I live ask me to help them with their shipping plan, and I literally go up to them and press a few buttons and it's done. So I want to be there for you guys getting started. Amazon is not too competitive. There are millions and hundreds of millions of products, actually. Hundreds of millions of products, and they're just still growing. So new things are coming out every now and then. Every year we see about 3 or 4 or 5 big trending products like fidget spinners, those charcoal face masks or something for your skin. But every year there's huge opportunity. And if you guys are working at a job right now, just make your first buck online with Amazon FBA. I mean, don't quit everything. Just start making money online while you still have you're still going to school or you're still working your job. Just slowly build that up, and you'll have that job or your school, and that's going to be a nice backup for you guys to be able to take more risk with Amazon. And it doesn't even cost that much to start. Literally, my first product, I paid $500. I paid $500 for the Tanner Fox Amazon course, and then I paid $97 for Jungle Scout. So just over $1,000 for me to start Amazon. And you think of all the other businesses that literally spend hundreds of thousands and tens of thousands every month just to hold all their inventory and storage units, having to fulfill all their own orders. I mean, Amazon is where it's at, guys. So if you guys think I should make a little Amazon course, I'm going to put some serious time into it and not charge you guys too much, because I don't know, my grandparents think I'm selling myself too short, but I don't freaking care. I want to make you guys successful, and I know in turn if I make 1,000 people successful, that's going to make me very, very successful as well. So it all comes back around, and good karma's out there, guys. So So again, out here from Washington State. Pretty beautiful place. It's pretty cold though, so might have to take a trip out of here real soon again. But thank you guys for watching. Trying to think if there's anything else on the top of my head I want to share with you guys, but if you have more comments or questions or how to start Amazon, like I'll probably make a little beginner how-to video for Amazon, basically going over everything, and then yeah, I'm gonna start making a course, guys. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Hopefully I can get it finished here in the month of March, and we'll be set. So that's gonna be about it, guys. Thank you guys, all of you that are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I've been checking out those profile images and seeing the faces of those that have actually subscribed to me, and it's a really crazy feeling seeing that I'm almost I'm almost at 1,500 subscribers. So absolutely insane. I'll probably include some more videos on how to get yourself started on YouTube as well, because if I was just an Amazon seller, I wouldn't be able to share my experience with everyone. I wouldn't be able to be in contact. I wouldn't learn as fast. When I teach other people, I actually learn myself much faster, and it's a great way to do something. You learn it yourself, you apply it yourself, you teach it to other people, and by that point you basically have mastered the subject that you're doing once you're teaching people. So definitely want to be bringing that out here soon. Thank you guys again. I know this video's dragged on a little long, but thank you guys. Luke W. from Washington State is signing out. Peace.